Hello Tedx Sacramento and City 2.0. I am submitting this to be one of the 2 to 3 minute small talks, and here's a very impromptu sample of what I've got. Hi, my name is Jason Mallory. I'm the author of this science fiction book, Proxy, When Robots Work Better. My big idea is essentially a legislative framework for how to assimilate robotics and other job-replacing technologies into the labor force. I'm the first person to say that every citizen has the right to one equal share of the robotic labor force, an equal vote for what it performs, and a fair share of what it produces. Now, the vote is to maintain democracy and human beings still having a moral filter on what gets done in society, and not just a few people who may be completely motivated by profits as corporations or what have you, but essentially democracy where every citizen gets to vote for what essentially their robot does for them in the workforce. And an equal share of what is produced from this will be given to each citizen, so that essentially you'd be paid a living wage for taking on the responsibility of understanding and voting for what your share of the robotic labor force works to produce. And that way humans maintain the direction of society, and we have everyone having a living wage in a consumer cycle regardless of the unemployment rate. Now, the necessity of some type of planning for this is becoming apparent to some people, and there are a number of TED Talks about this. Mine's the only idea going of how to actually solve it, and I've got a senator and a congressman writing me letters in regards to it, and I've written this sci-fi book that is pretty interesting, and I hope to make a movie out of it and really get this idea in the world. So yeah, if you're very interested in checking out more, you can go to Proxy by jasonmallory.com. I've got a case study sponsorship through congress.org where you can actually cast an informal vote on this subject, as well as write a letter of feedback and through the website submit it to your legislator, to your congressmen and senators. And that is a way of actually spreading this idea. So if you're interested, there's also a list of other TED Talks that are on this subject. So hopefully you like it.